Good evening, Anusha.
Good evening, sir.
Dear child, we have a text file s.txt, and here we have some expressions like we have 1 plus 12 into 45 minus 56. See, and here one expression per line like 12 plus 56. Then we have 45 asterisk 45 plus 3 raised to the power 4. So here we have a text file in which we have got one mathematical expression per line, and your job is just to evaluate these expressions one by one, right?
Yes, sir.
And store the result in a new file.
Uh,
How you will do this? Please tell.
so we can read the file and use the inbuilt function eval.
So here, yes, we can use that function eval. Here we have a file, and I am just opening this file. The name of the file is this, and the mode is reading, right? And here you will read one line at a time. So first of all, check for line in file, and here it is line. If we print this, you will be getting one line at a time, but along with this you have that slash n at the end. So what you will write, what we will do, line is equals to line dot all string, right?
Yes, sir.
And then if you print the same, you will see this is what, got it?
Yes, sir.
Now if you simply call the eval function and pass this line, what will happen? Here you will see the expressions are evaluated
Yes, sir.
one by one. Any doubt?
No, sir.
बेटा ये eval फंक्शन क्या करता है? ये eval फंक्शन एज ए स्ट्रिंग एक एक्सप्रेशन को रिसीव करता है और उसको इवेलुएट कर देता है. जैसे सपोज हेयर
Yes.
एक एंड में हमने एक एक्सप्रेशन डाला 1 2 3 प्लस 7 8 9. This is the expression I have added
Yes, sir.
in the text file, and if I run this program, you will see that the last expression is also got evaluated, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is that you have to create another file. What to do? So
So now
here
I'll
in
do
that
it.
case, output file is equals to open s.txt, and we need to open this file in write mode, right? इस राइट मोड में हमने इस फाइल को ओपन किया. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? Anusha, after reading this, what we have to do? बताएं. First of all, I am evaluating the given expression. Now expression has been evaluated,
Yes, sir.
and now here line is equals to line plus this equal to plus str r. Are you getting to what I am writing here?
So you're modifying the file.
Yes, I am creating a new line, a line to be recorded in the output file. एक्चुअली स्ट्रिंग की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि दो पाइथन में कि दो स्ट्रिंग्स ही कॉन्केटेनेट हो सकती हैं. ये जो आपका आर है वो डबल टाइप होगा या इंटीजर टाइप होगा. तो इंट को या किसी और डेटा टाइप को जो न्यूमेरिक डेटा टाइप है या डबल है, फ्लोट, जो भी, ठीक है, इनको आप स्ट्रिंग के साथ डायरेक्टली अपेंड नहीं कर सकते. यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट टू स्ट्रिंग.
Yes, sir.
जावा में ये पॉसिबल है कि स्ट्रिंग प्लस इंटीजर बिकम्स स्ट्रिंग, but here in Python it is not possible. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
so the statement you've written just now, Smith, the line is a part of file.
Line is
Right.
not a part of file. Actually, line is a string here. Line is a string which represents one line of text from a given file at a time.
Yes, sir, understood.
Line, if you print the type of, what is the type of this line data type, you will see. Just a minute, you will see here it is not print हो रहा है.
So I understood it's a string.
हाँ,
It's a string.
no, the problem is ये आपकी s overwrite हो गई शायद. Just a minute, it is now blank. Yes, 12 plus 6 7 8, and here it is 12 at 3 plus 67 3, and here it is 2 raised to the power 7. These are the three expressions, suppose. Now if I am running this code, you will see class str, class str, class str, because there were 3 lines in this file s.txt, and this line is responsible for printing class str 3 times.
Yes, sir.
ये टाइप फंक्शन जो है वो आपको बताता है कि डेटा का वेरिएबल का टाइप क्या है. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, out file dot write, what to write, line, and after we have written this, after we have done this, out file dot close. So when जब हम इस प्रोग्राम को रन करेंगे तो s.txt का जो इनपुट रॉ डेटा है वो प्रोसेस होगा और s1.txt एक नई फाइल क्रिएट होगी. Yes, now you can see here, this is what we have done, but ये आउटपुट एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है. क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक और /n अटैच कर दीजिए. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंस. इफ यू open this, you will see yes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
और एक चीज और है, suppose here you want the resultant file content, you just display this message that the resultant file is what? How to read that resultant file? Tell.
So
How to read that resultant file? File
So
is
out.
open s1.txt.
R.
and this R mode. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And for line in file, line is equals to line dot R strip,
R.
R strip,
Print line.
and here you can print line. That's it. ये beta resulting file.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can create simple text files, and you can process the same.
Yes,
So
sir.
in the next class I will be teaching you how to modify a text file, how to modify the content of a text file.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. This is enough for today, Anusha.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.